Today on Cloud Cover's Stirring the Pot, we're making a charcuterie board with infused honey and butter. For this you'll need a cutting board, bread or breadsticks, crackers of your choice, deli meats and cheese, tomatoes, olives, nuts, or anything else you want. For the 420 elements, we're whipping up half a cup of infused butter and including some infused honey for a touch of sweetness. Check the caption for links to our videos on how to make the canna infused butter and honey. To get started, make sure your cutting board is clean and dry. Then take a puff and get creative. Lay out your infused honey first, then add the breads and crackers. Start laying out your tomatoes, meats, and cheese ingredients together in clumps around the board. There's no wrong way to make a charcuterie board. Make sure to leave some room for the infused butter somewhere on the board. After everything is laid out and the butter is soft, whip that butter up with a fork or whisk until smooth and creamy. Then dab it up on the board. If everything doesn't fit, then you can add the extra ingredients on the side, such as the nuts, drinks, and breads. Now you can grab your buds and dig in. Cheers! If you like this video, hit the like button or share with someone you know.